Hi there, welcome to Star Food. Today I'm excited to show you how to make a molten lava cake. This simple yet delicious dessert is filled with warm melted chocolate inside, worth to be tried by you. So let's dive in and get started. So firstly, on two ramekins, I will grease some butter and dust some flour into it. Next, I'm going to roughly chop some semi-sweet chocolates. In a bowl, I'm going to transfer the chopped semi-sweet chocolate and add some butter. Then I'm going to let these ingredients get melted in the microwave. So next on another bowl, I will add whole egg and a yolk. And add some sugar. So guys, I'm going to whisk it until it is thickened and pale. Then I'm going to add the mixture of melted butter and chocolate. And there we go. Again whisk until all these things are well combined. And here goes the last two ingredients, some flour and some cocoa powder. And I will whisk them only for until they are well combined with the wet mixture. Then divide the batter into two ramekins, then place it into a preheated oven at 180 Celsius for 12 minutes. Once these delicious lava cakes are baked, then I will cut the edges of the lava cake from the ramekin and then transfer it to a plate. Oh hooray! It came beautiful out from the ramekin, and now I'm gonna decorate it by dusting some ice and sugar. It smells so good, I really can't wait to have it. Guys, you must try making this molten lava cake for your friends and family, and let me know in comments after you give it a try. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Oh my god, this lava cake looks so delicious guys. And also it looks so chocolatey. See you guys next time.